Welcome everybody. My name is Jason with Autosport Designs, and today we're going to be driving this beautiful 2017 Bentley Continental Speed GT. It's featured here in dark sapphire over linen. It's got a W12 Twin Turbo Engine producing 633 horsepower, propelling this behemoth from 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to driving it. We're going to go through the usual courses. We're going to take it down the farm road. We're going to get some good seat time in, really enjoy ourselves, and I invite you guys to come along. So we'll see you on the road. Welcome back, everyone. So we're going to take this gorgeous Bentley out for a little drive. My first impressions are the black on linen color scheme really works. It is as luxurious and opulent as you'd like a Bentley to be. Don't forget, there is that speed emblem, which reminds you that this twin turbo W12 packs a punch. So wherever you have to go, cross town or cross continent, this will get you there quickly and comfortably. We are up to operating temperature in the Continental Speed GT. First driving impressions are it is whisper quiet in here. It's a glorious place to be. I'm really enjoying it. I feel like I can take a long trip somewhere and not be fatigued in the least bit. This car is optioned with massaging seats, so that always helps. It'll push you along quite quickly. Well, I hope you enjoyed the flybys, everybody. I certainly did. Here we are on the farm road. We'll get some speed into the Bentley Continental Speed GT. Wow, that twin turbo V12 packs a major punch. This car is so comfortable, so lovely. I could do this all day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Find us on Instagram at Autosport Designs. We're really easy to find, and we'll see you on the next one. Ciao.